cafe. Now, the weather outside is not looking great. So when the weather's like this, one thing I love to bake is something really heartwarming and comforting. And what better thing than a ginger loaf cake? Now, before I begin, please make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's bake. Before I start, I like to have all my ingredients pre-weighed out. I'll be leaving a full list of this in the description box below. So to begin with, I'm going to be sieving through my dry ingredients. I've got some plain flour, baking powder and bicarbonate of soda, and ground ginger. Now I'm going to shuffle that through. Now that's all done, I'm going to leave that to one side. And now using my stand mixer with the paddle attachment, I've got some soft unsalted butter and some light brown sugar. I'm going to mix this for about 2 or 3 minutes. Now that's all creamed together, it's got a nice light pale colour, which is exactly what we're after. Next stage is to add the eggs. I'll be adding 1 egg at a time. To begin with, it'll be at a low speed, and then I'll turn up the speed for about 30 seconds until the egg fully incorporates. Now time for the dry ingredients that I set aside earlier, and I'll be mixing this at a low speed. Now I'm going to add in some Black Treacle. This gives it a lovely, moist, rich texture inside the loaf. Finally, to this mix, I'm going to add a dash of milk. To line the loaf tin, I've got some non-stick spray. If you can't get hold of that, just use some butter and flour, it'll work in exactly the same way. And I've also got some baking parchment, this will just ensure that it doesn't stick. Now the mix is ready to pop into my loaf tin. Now that's all levelled out, I'm going to be baking this at 170 degrees for about 50 minutes, or until a knife comes out clean. So there you have it, my ginger loaf recipe. Now this just so happens to be someone's absolute favourite recipe, and I think it's only fair she gets the first slice. There you go. Now, does that meet the seal of approval? That's a definite yes. So, if you've enjoyed this recipe and you like ginger, check out my ginger flapjack recipe, which should be appearing somewhere. And until then, I'll see you next time.